Today we will be discussing how to install the inlet hose on a Series CT reel. Locate the silver clip on the swivel and remove it. Next, pull the swivel off. Once the swivel is off, take your inlet hose and feed it through your bent tube, routing it through the center of your reel and out where the swivel was attached. Then, install your hose onto your swivel and replace the silver clip. Last, install your output hose. Now you can use your Series CT reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.